Hello. Do you want to see how I turned my lingerie room from this to this? Hi, I'm Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and Decorator's Voice. And today is part 2 of the lingerie room renovation and makeover. So if you wouldn't mind, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel because I have plenty more renovations and makeovers to show you. So without any further ado, let's go to the lingerie room so you can check out my renovation. Hello, and thanks for coming back. So, as you see, we are absolutely complete with the laundry room renovation. This is the view from the outside. So, when I'm on the outside of the laundry room or inside the garage and getting ready to come inside the home, this is what I see. I am so pleased and so excited with the way this laundry room renovation turned out. So, as you may notice, there is a sink, which is here before. I'm going to go ahead and close the door so basically you can see everything. But this is a new item. This sink was not here before. It was the washer and dryer was down on this end. So now I have a sink which I will use to pre-treat clothes and pour the mop bucket water into. I love this sink because it has, you know, the little sprayer, and it's really fun. Now, as I go up, you see I have this little hanging area. So this is actually an Alpha system from the Container Store. And I love it because at the top I can put, you know, anything I want. And then I also have this little hanging area where I can hang, you know, a sweater, something I want to air dry, or if I'm doing the laundry and I'm folding clothes and ironing clothes, I can actually just hang them right there. Now this sign here I thought was absolutely wonderful. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm going to link everything in the description box. I'm also going to write a blog post and put links to things. But this is a stain remover guide, and it just kind of gives you tips and ideas on how to get certain stains out of your clothes. So I love the backsplash that I have, and the contractors with Divine Elements of Design actually, you know, built this faux wall here, and we put the backsplash going all the way down. So it actually is great because it protects, you know, the faux wall against water. So I had mentioned before I was going to have 2 long cabinets and then also a lateral. And once again, there is a TV, and it's on YouTube. It's actually my channel. So if you are the type of person that likes to iron clothes or fold clothes and have, you know, the YouTube playing or Pandora, you know, definitely get a Roku and put it on any TV and you will have all those things. Okay, so right here, I mean, it's kind of decor, but it's really useful. I have these apothecary jars with my Tide Pods and then also those Unstoppables. Now I'm going to give you a tip. Those Unstoppables smell so good. So when I come into the home, it's like such a fresh smell. I had a outlet put right there. So if I want to iron the clothes, I can actually just use that as a plug. And I can put the ironing board right on top of this solid surface. Now, I really love this solid surface because it is long enough. It's 6 feet, but it's long enough for me to put my ironing board on and then iron clothes or fold clothes or whatnot. Once again, I have the Subway towels going, 2 towels up going to the back, and I love it. This little section here is, once again, is pretty much for decor, but I did want someplace to put my remote controls. So I found, you know, hey, I can go ahead and put them in apothecary jars. And the clothespins, we really don't use clothespins. That's more of a decor item, a decor thing. But these balls, those are dryer balls, and you're supposed to put 4 of them in your dryer with your wet clothes, and it's supposed to help your clothes dry. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So this sign on the wall, I absolutely love it, are these 4 plaques. They say wash, dry, fold, and repeat. And I absolutely love it. So if you can recall, this laundry room is like 6 feet shorter than before. So I'm going to go up, and if you can see, I have a new light fixture. So I love my light fixture, but one thing I want to note for you to notice that there is a light fixture. Right behind the light fixture is that vent. Now, if you can recall from my other YouTube video, after the vent, there was still 6 extra feet of laundry room. So as you can tell, they did take away a large part of the laundry room, but you know, we were able to really work with what we have in this space. So over here, this is actually a new built-in shelving system. So I have all of my Tupperware containers. I think they were called modular mates. I actually sold Tupperware like a million moons ago, and I had these green green modular mates, and I said, you know what, hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them to use. I use those chalkboard labels, and I just labeled basically what everything is. So I did keep some of the electronics in here, some of the electrical appliances in here. Now these are the ones I do not use often. And then I really like this little section over here. So it's funny because you would think that we made the cutouts or made the custom cabinet for those baskets, but we did not. I just happened to find those baskets at the perfect size at Walmart. Can you believe me? So in the baskets, like the first one, I have all of the wet condiments like, you know, syrup or ketchup, hot sauce, different things like that. On the second shelf is all of the canned goods. Then on the bottom shelf or the third shelf are like chips and different things, goodies, snacks, cookies. Now the baby, she hasn't seen those yet, so I'm really happy that they're covered up so she can't see them. Now these are some baskets that I purchased. I actually got these from Marshall's, and I thought they fit perfectly in here. So if we're washing clothes and we just want to, you know, throw our dry clothes in here to take to our rooms, we can. As you can see, I only have 2. I really wish I could find another one. So if you're one of my YouTube followers and you've seen these anywhere, please let me know. I got them from Marshall's, but you know, Marshall's is like Ross. It's one of those hit or miss places. But I would love to have another gray one to put on the side to finish this area out. Now you may notice that my washer and dryer are 2 different heights. It's because I replaced my washer probably 2 years after I bought the set. And the dryer is perfect, and I'm very frugal, and I'm not going to buy a whole new set just so they can match. So, you know, hey, we use what we can and it works. But ultimately, I love, 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 love this space. You know, that's the door that goes into the kitchen. But I'm very pleased with everything. You know, we added the crown molding. Once again, I love my light fixture, and I'm going to put a link below, and then also, like I said, the blog post that let you know where I purchased everything from. But, you know, Home Depot, Floor and Decor, Marshall's, Lamps Plus, those were my friends. As you also can see, the beautiful towel that's on the floor, the ceramic towel, this is so much more beautiful than the cold, you know, icky and tacky the linoleum that was there before. So I am in love, love, love with everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. If you have any ideas for me, you know, let me know. I would love to get some additional ideas and see what you're doing in some of your spaces. So once again, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.